Hello everyone, welcome to Lesson 3 HVAC Schematic Diagrams. In this learning Lesson 3, you will find three things to be completed. 1. The Lesson 3 discussion, which are 50 points, Lesson 3 assignments, which are 75 points, and last, you will have a Lesson 3 quiz, which are 100 points. Before you even begin doing any of this, please go to the Lesson 3 overview. In here, you'll find the Lesson 3 introduction. Go over it. You will find, after you go over it, you will find that you will comprehend wiring diagram terminology after you're done, as well as to identify components in an air-conditioned wiring system, as well as to locate wires in an air-conditioned system based on the wiring schematic provided. But more than anything, you will be able to create a wiring schematic diagrams of an air-conditioned system. Okay, where if you scroll down, you'll see a video. You will find right here a link of this video that would guide you through this learning lesson 3. Right under it, you'll find articles and the videos. I am providing you with links for you to review and read. Read all articles provided, and I highly recommend you to make notes, as well to view all the videos until you feel confident to start doing your assignments. Once you're done with all this learning material, you can go to your Lesson 3 discussions and complete that. Once you have completed, you can go to Lesson 3 assignments and also complete it as well. Once you're done, you will have a Lesson 3 quiz hands-on evaluation. In here, you will schedule the hands-on evaluation with the instructor within the same week you have begun Lesson 3. As a reminder, all hands-on evaluations are done in campus. Okay, so please go all the material, do all your assignments, and finalize it with a Lesson 3. Once you have mastered Lesson 3 quiz, hands-on evaluation, and master it, you can proceed to Lesson 4, wiring installation of an AC system. Thank you.